and I'm so happy to see you here because it's the first episode of How Does It Work in Japan, and it'll be maybe a special episode because the last time I was talking about it in my vlog that I'm gonna show you how to book a table for the Pokémon Café, because a lot of people already know it, especially the ones that are living in Japan. But all the foreigners don't know about it. You need to book in advance, and it's pretty bad when you are just going over to Japan like, yay, let's go to the Pokemon Center tomorrow, and then you just figure out you can't because you have to book in advance. So therefore, let's begin with how does it work in Japan, Pokémon Café. Let's get into it. First of all, open the Internet Explorer you trust and search for Pokémon Café, and it's right on top, usually. The Pokémon Center itself is always open, but like I said, you have to book in advance for the cafe. Scroll down to see what they offer, like the news or the current menu, which is making me hungry all over again. The goods that they have, which you can buy to have a nice memory. And on the bottom is a map of how to get there, which is extremely convenient. Otherwise, use Google Maps, you know how it goes. To book a table, click on the brown button, which you can find in the upper right corner. There are two locations of the cafe. Since I live in Tokyo, I picked the one to the left. Next step will be to tell them how many people you are. From 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, up to 8. And now it's all about the date. Since the March is entirely full and booked out, I decided to book for April 15th, and there are actually a lot of time slots left, like from early morning till kind of mid-late evening. I like lunch, therefore I decided to go there for lunch with the beautiful Brina. After that, you have to give them some information about yourself. Don't worry, they only use them for your reservation, nothing else. Write down your first name, after that your mail address, which is clearly not right, but I didn't really read the text carefully enough. Of course they want to know your last name instead, but yeah, I won't tell you that. Therefore I just picked la 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 as a sample. After that you have to add your phone number, and last but not least your mail address. But yeah, click that button down below and you're good to go. They send you an email, check it for the correct time, or switch to the English version. Yes, you actually can do that, and you're done. Yippee! Yeah, high five. Woo! It was easier than you may have thought in the beginning, right? So now you're fully prepared for your amazing Pokémon Café experience. Already figure out what you would like to have. Maybe the Relaxo plate that I had, or maybe the Score Bunny plate, or maybe the Sobble plate, or whatever plate. Maybe you would like to have something sweet, pancakes, or some ice cream, or whatever it is. Be happy, go there, enjoy it. And without further ado, hit the notification bell, like, subscribe, comment, let me know what you think down below. And other than that, I'm gonna plan my next trip to the Pokémon Café. So see you later, guys. Bye bye. Sleepy. Yeah. Oh, that's so cute. Oh, Curry.